Hello, mathematicians. Welcome to another episode of Math with Miss Dodd. So today we're going to talk about some subtraction, some more. But before we get started, I want to go through a couple of math things. So first is our number of the day. We have been kindergartners for 136 days, which is a lot of days. And the other thing I want to try to do today is play Froggy Friend. So my class plays Froggy Friend sometimes, and I think many of the classes do. We just call it Froggy Friend because we have a little frog who jumps around and covers the numbers. So I don't have a little frog at home, but I have a green cube, and we're going to call this green cube Froggy. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the hundreds chart. And then I'm going to say, close your eyes. And I'm going to cover a number, and then you're going to guess the number. So here we go. Alrighty. So, close your eyes. Froggy Friend is on the move. What number is Froggy Friend covering? If you guessed 35, you would be right. All right, Froggy Friend is on the move. So close those eyes. What number is Froggy Friend covering? If you guessed 60, you would be correct. Sometimes friends will ask, how did we know it was 60? Well, if you look at the number right before, I may say, oh, or one less. I might say, oh, that number is 59. Last one. Froggy Friend is moving. What number is Froggy Friend covering? He is covering one of our tricky teens, and that number is 16. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. So that is Froggy Friend. I usually will ask some more questions. We may play this game again. All right, let's get into our math lesson today. Today's math work, our independent work, has some review of just practicing some more subtraction. So when we work together today, I want to talk a little bit about subtraction and do some different things with the equations. So look at this equation down below. 8 take away 4 is 4. It's actually giving us the answer already. What I want you to do, and you're going to pause the video again in a little bit, what I want you to do is I want you to tell a math story or ask a math question based on this equation. So somebody has 8 of something, 4 get taken away, and then we always end our math stories with a question like how many are left? So I want you to start working on that and then pause it, and then I'll do my work. All right, so here's my story. I have 8 apples. I ate 4 of them. How many are left? The missing part is 4. All right, friends, let's move on to our next one. This is a little review again of what we've been doing. I'm going to read the problem to you, pause the video, try it on your own, and then check your work with mine. So here's the problem. Sam had 9 books to read. He read 6 of them. How many books does he have left? Pause the video now and try. Okay, so here's my work. I've been working while you're working, and I am going to now write my equation. So down below, the whole is 9. Then we're going to take away, and the part that he's read 6 of them already. So 6, our first part. And then we're looking for the part that's left. So our missing part. That equals 3. So hopefully you had something that looks similar to this. There's a lot of different ways to solve problems, but this is using an equation is something that we're continuing to work on. All right, this, friends, is just a little matching. So you're going to see a problem like this on your independent practice today. It looks a little different, but I wanted to talk about it. So the equation right down below here is 6 take away 6 is 0. These are two different subtraction pictures. So what I want you to think about right now, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts, but is which one of these pictures matches this equation? If you think it's this one, I agree, because this has 6 dots right here. And if you see the X's on these 6 dots, they're taking away 6 of them. So this shows me that 6 take away 6 is 0. This one, on the other hand, shows me 6 dots also, but you'll notice that only 3 of them are being taken away. So this one shows me 6 take away 3 is 3. The equation matches this picture. I'm just going to put a little circle as best I can around this little picture. All right, friends. Finally today, I want to talk about something else that's important when we talk about math. Math tools. When we are talking about math, there are many things around us that we can use to help us solve problems. So sometimes we just rely on our brains, and our brains are great. But it's also good to see our problems in front of us. So we're going to go through these math tools right now and talk a little bit about them. So our first math tool is this number path, which is similar to a number line. But what I like about number paths is that each one of these boxes really represents 1. So I know friends in my class have used these a little bit. So what I want, but with addition. So what I want to show you is how to use these with subtraction. And you can see right behind me, if you can, maybe, that I actually made a number path right back here, a nice big one. And we're going to try some problems on that soon. But for now, I want to show you how to use this one. So this problem that we're going to practice all these different math tools with is 5 take away 4, which is 1. So what I'm going to do with my number path is I'm going to put a circle around the hole. So I'm going to be circling 5. Now I'm taking away 4. So let me start counting. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I took away 4 boxes. And how many is left? 1. Our next thing, boys and girls, is something we've been practicing a ton, and I just drew my example down here. So this example is a picture of this equation. 2 more math tools. The last one being something you always have with you. But first, let's do counters. So I'm going to show you on the screen. So here you see 5 counters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Just 1. And our last one, my friends, something I'm going to do with my fingers. So the equation was 5 take away 4 is 1. All of those math tools, the number path, your fingers, counters, and pictures, are all things that you can always use when doing any type of math, really. Addition and subtraction, for sure. All right, boys and girls. Well, I will see you again tomorrow for another episode of Math with Miss Todd. Have a good day.